y'all, it's your girl Trish, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you this super easy beginner friendly eye look. It's a purple and silver smoky with a little bit of glitter, so if you guys want to see how to do it, all you gotta do is keep on watching. So I like to begin with a corrector and a flat brush, and I just like to use that as my base all over my eyelid from eyebrow to lash line. Just like so. And now I'm going to take this palette from Lorac, and I will be using this top color right here, this vanilla color, with the flat shader brush, and I'm going to be using that to set underneath my brow, on my brow bone and all that, and in my inner corner. And now I'm going to be taking the James Charles palette with this purple right here, the lightest one, with the fluffy blendy brush, and I will be using that to apply my transition color right under my brow bone, a little bit above my crease. Just blending as much as I can. Now with this smaller pointy blendy brush, I'm going back to the James Charles palette with the darkest purple, and that's the one I'm going to be applying on my crease, blending it a little bit up towards the transition color. Just like so. And now I'm going to take a super small pointy brush, a little bit dense, and I'm going to be taking that black color again from the James Charles palette and targeting my outer V with it, and at the same time putting whatever's left on the brush in my crease just to darken up the purple. Going back with my fluffy brush and adding more of that crease color. Then I'm going to go back to another fluffy brush, and I'm going to add more of my transition color just to blend it all out. And here I'm just grabbing a makeup wipe and cleaning my eyelid and creating I'm pretty much cutting my crease with it, preparing it for the next color. And now I'm using this Milani jumbo pencil in white and just using that as my base and just spreading it out with this concealer brush right here. like so. And now I'm going back to my Lorac palette and taking that shimmery white right here in the corner with the flat, almost concealer looking brush. And I'm going to apply that color pretty much to the whole lid, everywhere that I put the jumbo pencil. And then I'm going to turn it around and take that silver color from the same palette and put it in the corner and kind of blend it in with the white a little bit. Then I'm going to take that purple from the Lorac palette and the same pointy brush that I used for my crease, and I'm just going to blend everything together. I'm taking my corrector and putting a dot under in my bottom lid, spreading it out, and pretty much doing the same process all over again, but in my bottom. Fun part where we add the silver glitter. I got that glitter and then this glitter from Wet n Wild, which I tried to put on first, but none of the glitter came out. It was just like a little sticky liquid, so I ended up using just the liquid to apply the other chunky glitter. And all I'm doing here is just patting the glitter on my lid, trying to be careful not to have fallout. So that's it. That's pretty much the finished look. That's how it looks with the glitter on. All the shadows are done, so all I need is eyeliner, mascara, and my falsies. And what I did to one eye, you obviously have to do it to the other eye, so that's what I'm going to do right now, off camera. And there you have it, both eyes completed. And now I'm going to take that same shimmery white from the Lorac palette and use it to highlight underneath my brow bone. And also in my inner tear duct. So there you go, that's my final look. What do you guys think? I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys enjoy it. And if you guys did, please let me know by giving me a thumbs up. Right here, I just paired it with the new lip. And I'm showing you guys how that looks. And over here, I paired it with a purple lip. Tell me which one you guys like better. And like I said, I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. See you on my next video.